In this video, let us learn case 1, that is, before applying the exception handling, if a method provides the runtime exception, what can be the execution behavior? So we will open the IntelliJ, we'll create a package exception. So in this particular package, first we need to create a source file before handling runtime exception demo. Before handling runtime exception demo. Since it is a public class, so we should provide main method here. So now we can create one class basic mass. We'll write some of the methods. Void addition, int x comma int y, int result is equal to x plus y. So we can print the result, addition result, so it will be result. Similar way, we should write one more method, void subtraction, int x comma int y, int result is equal to x minus y. So s out. So we need to print the subtraction result, that is a result. Similar way, we can write some basic methods. We can write it, multiplication. So int x comma int y, int result is equal to x star y. So now we will try to print the result, multiplication result, that is the result. So now we can write one more method, void division, int x comma int y, int result is equal to x divided by y. So now we can try to print the result. So division result, the division result is result. So currently we need to write one more method, void modulus, int x. Modulus means it provides a remainder of the division. So int result is equal to x modulus y. So now if we can try to print the result, modulus result, so that is result. So we can try to write some more basic methods, void is even number, int num. So if num modulus 2 equal to 0, that should be the even number only. Now if we can try to print num is a even number. Similar way, void is odd number, int num. We can write the condition, if num modulus 2 equal to 1, it must be the odd number. S out num is an odd number, is an even number, is an odd number. Similarly, we need to write in this way. So now we need to write the average of two number, void find average int x comma int y. So we need to find out average means int result is equal to average value x plus y, so divided by 2. So it always provides the average of two number. So now if we can print the AVE or the average of x and y is, so the result RESULT. So now we can write the value in this way. The average of x and y is the average result. So now we can write one more method. The method is void is divisible by 9 int num. Whether it is divisible by 9 or not, we need to check. So how we can able to check means by instead of proving number 9 we can write in this way. If num modulus 9 equal to 0, so obviously the number is divisible by 9. Num is divisible, divisible, divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. So in this way we have written n number of methods. Since these many methods are instance method, in order to execute these methods we must require an object. So for that purpose we need to create an object now. So we will create an object here. Obj is equal to new basic mass of. So by using object we can call one by one method. We can call addition 20, 40. Similar way, obj dot find average of 30, 50. So what is the average value of 30, 50? Obj dot is even number, that is nothing but 46. So next I need to execute a method called obj dot division. I need to write 45, 5. Next obj dot is odd number. This odd number means yes, you can provide 71. Next one more method, obj dot is divisible by 9. That is nothing but how much means you can provide 81. Obj dot multiplication, so you can provide 14, 10. Obj dot subtraction you can provide 120, so you can provide 40. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 methods are available. Find average is odd number, is even number, modulus. Yes, we haven't called modulus. So addition, before addition we can call modulus. Obj dot modulus we need to provide 11, 3. So the remainder it provides 2 only. So these many methods we have called. These 4 methods, then division method, again there are 4 methods are available. So if I can execute this particular one, everything works fine because we are providing valid input only. We are supplying the valid input, it provides the corresponding result. So it is working fine. Suppose I am just passing the value called 35, 5. Again, if you can check, yes, now also it provides the corresponding output. It's working fine. Suppose, so what is the case 1 means? Before applying the exception handling, if a method provides the runtime exception, what can be the execution behavior? So, how it will provide the runtime exception? If we can provide invalid input, I'm just providing division 35, 0. If any number divided by 0, it always provides arithmetic addition, arithmetic exception. So, since it is an exception, it is an object. Currently, we do not have any mechanism to handle this exception or catch this exception. So for this purpose, the execution stops abnormally. So after division, what are the methods are available? These methods, it never be executed. The execution stops abnormally in the division method itself. Okay, now if we can execute, see the result. Addition is executing, modulus is executing, average of two number is 40 and 44 is even number. When it comes to division, we are trying to perform 35 division by 0. If any number divisible by 0, it always provides an arithmetic exception. And there is message called division by 0. And it is providing the stack trace. So stack trace means the exception was arised in the division method and it was available in the the class called before handling runtime exception, the method called main. So this is the way we are getting the stack trace. So the conclusion is in this way. The conclusion is in this way. Before applying the exception handling, if a method provides the runtime exception, the execution behavior is in this way. It stops the execution abnormally because currently we do not have any mechanism to catch the exception object. Because of this reason, the execution stops abnormally. Thank you. In the next video, we will try to explore case 2.